Hey, welcome back. I just wanted to share this with you. I had this old piece of crap Chinese milling machine vise. Supposed to be equal to the Kurt Ang lock, but not even close. But it does work good for a welding vise. If it gets splattered up, doesn't matter. First time I used it was today. It actually worked pretty good, pretty slick. I had to put a shaft in there with a bracket that had to be at a 20-degree angle off to the keyway. So I just put the keyway at 0 here, put the keyway at 0 here, and then brought the bracket that I had machined over here, put it at 20, tack welded it, pulled it out. I'd make 6 of them. And it actually worked pretty good. It only took me about a half an hour, 45 minutes to weld them all together. So pretty slick.